I've been in the janitorial service business for well over 20 years. I've cleaned shopping malls, buildings, restaurants, and I've used a number of products. Now I found Nature's Bond All Surface Cleaner. With one product, I do it all. I can clean carpets, I can clean spots on carpets, I can clean ceramic tiles, the grout on tiles, I can clean mirrors, windows, doors, walls, you name it, I can clean it with the use of one product. But what triggered all this for me is that one day my wife was cleaning my home and she had just finished mopping the floor with a chemical product, and I had my 1-year-old crawl all over the place and putting his hands, his fingers in his mouth and so forth. And I said, no, I have to do something. Now I have to do something. That triggered me to use this product, to find out the usage of this product, the proper way to use this product. And I found out that not only was it as performant as a chemical product, but it was extremely safe. It helped my business in many ways. Number one, it cut down on man hours, okay? There is no more injury, no more irritating of the skin, irritating of the eyes, no more health issue or breathing issues. That's gone, the man hours have gone. It also helped me in the business by removing the complaints such as staining carpets. Right now with Nature's Bond All Surface Cleaner, that's all gone. It's all gone. No more health issues. Everybody is safe. The environment is safe. And it works so well on removing stains and removing dirt and getting places cleaned that the employees themselves have a certain pride when they come to work. When they leave their workplace, they're proud to see it, how clean it is. Now, here's the thing about this product. It has many benefits and many features. And one of them, which I really, really love, compared to chemical products or plant-based products, is that once you use this product, it keeps on working from 8 to 24 hours, sometimes even up to 80 hours, depending on the environment that you're using it in. I have never seen a product, I have never witnessed a product like Nature's Bond All Surface Cleaner. It's unbelievable the work this thing can do. It's very healthy, it's natural, it's very user-friendly, environmentally friendly, cost savings, and I love it.